Hi dear friends, welcome back to the Model Garage Islamabad. Today's unboxing is all about power and performance. This is 1984 Mustang SVO number 192 out of 250 and number 2 out of 10 from the Then and Now series. A true classic from the golden era of the performance cars, and this one comes in the striking red color that gives it a bold and sporty look right from the start. Now let's open it up and bring this beauty out for a closer look. Here we have it, dear friends, the mighty Mustang SVO on the rolling track with all its glory. This casting beautifully captures the spirit of the 80s with its shape, edge, and aerodynamic shape. The red paint has a nice glossy finish, perfectly matched with the black strips. These are the classic 5-spoke wheels. The base is black plastic, the windows are slightly tinted, and the interior is detailed with the simple sporty seats. The combination of red body, black trim, four logos, and silver wheels just looks stunning together. This model was designed by Yonemai in 2012. This one is the 11th release. That's all for today's unboxing. Dear friends, thank you so much for watching and for being part of the Model Garage Islamabad. Stay tuned, more amazing cars are on the way.